so important that you can't let your friends in through the building?
Because, so say we know Sally from science class. We know her. We know she's a good girl. But what we don't know is that there's a guy or girl around the corner waiting for that door to open to grab it to come in and do something bad in the school. That's why we don't. Only security is going to be open doors for kids.
Hi, you have ID here? Thank you very much.
Hi, it's Beatrice again. So the importance in why we're using the ID cards is to make sure that we have no strangers in the school. So we don't have, whether it be a real bad person or another kid from another school wanting to come here and do anything stupid or bad. So this way, if everybody has ID cards, we know who's coming in the building and we won't have any problems, hopefully.
I think one thing to keep in mind is that even though we think we know people and we think we know what's on people's minds, we don't. And so letting anybody in the building who's not supposed to be here is actually a safety hazard. So whether people went to school here before or you know them well or anything else, it's also uncomfortable for people who maybe don't know that student. And so our goal is to make sure it's a safe, comfortable environment. And so there are a lot of reasons that you guys may not think of for us putting in place rules about not letting other people into the building.
Everybody, my name is John Hawkins. I'm the security coordinator for the district, and my security tip is about lockdowns. When you hear the alert go off, it's really important that you find a lockable space as soon as you can. If you can't find one, it's really important that you get away from the building as quickly as possible. Thanks.
Hey guys, it's Beatrice. So listen, this is my security tip. There's only a guard here at the science wing every end and beginning of the first period. Of all the periods. So if you need to get in the building and there's no security guard here, you need to walk around through the front. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Vic Security. Tip of the day, have your ID cards before you come into the building so we don't hold up the line.
Hey, my name is Dave, and if you see something, say something.
How you doing, guys? My name is Frank. I've been in the school almost a month. Remember this face when you see me, so I could remember your face. Thank you.